Practice set 36. Question number 1. Simplify. 3x minus 11y minus 17x plus 13y and choose the right answer. Children, in this question, you have to subtract a binomial from the binomial and find the correct answer. For that, we will solve this expression. So, we will write it first. 3x minus 11y minus 17x plus 13y. Now children, as you know, when we subtract a binomial from the binomial and when we open the bracket, we will multiply the sign that is written outside the bracket to the each and every term of the bracket. So here there is no sign in front of the first bracket. So both the terms of the first binomial will be written as it is. Now we will multiply this minus sign to both the terms of the second binomial. That is minus multiplied by plus 17x will become minus 17x. Now here 13y is positive. Now when we multiply it with minus sign, we will get minus into plus is minus 13y. Now what we will do children here? We will bring the like terms together. That is 3x and minus 17x will be written together. Then plus. Here why we have written plus? Because now we will take this minus sign along with 11y. That is minus 11y minus 13y. These two are like terms. We will add them with the terms of x. Now we will write the terms of y in bracket. Now on solving 3x minus 17x, you will get minus 14x and plus minus 11y minus 13y is minus 24y. Now here plus minus is minus. So we will write it minus 14x as it is, plus minus as minus 24y. Now from these two terms you can see negative 2 is a common term, common factor. So we will write it outside the bracket and write the remaining factors in the bracket. So when you take negative 2 common from negative 14x, you will get 7x. And when you take negative 2 as a common factor from negative 24y, you will get plus 12y. Now, children, you can see this is option number 4 from the given options. Hence, we will write, so the correct option is fourth one. Now, second example, the product of 23x square y cube z and negative 15x cube y z square is. Now here we have to find the product of these two monomials. For that, we will multiply them and we will find the answer. Here 4 options are given. We have to select the correct one and find the correct option. Now we will write these two monomials, that is 23x square y cube z multiplied by minus 15 x cube y z square. Now on multiplying, first we will multiply the coefficients, that is 23 multiplied by negative 15. Then x square, y cube and z are multiplied, that are the variables of the first monomial multiplied by variables of second monomial, that is x cube, y and z square. Now 23 multiplied by minus 15 will remain as it is. Now bring the like variables together, that is x square and x cube, y cube and y, z and z square. Now let us multiply. 23 multiplied by negative 15 is negative 345, whereas x square into x cube is x raised to 5, y cube into y is y raised to 4, z into z square is z cube. Now what is this? What we are doing here? Here, if you remember the laws of indices, here the base is same, we will add the index. The same rule we are applying here. Now here x square into x cube is x raised to 5. The base is same, so we will add the index. Similarly, we will do here with y cube, y, z and z square. So now children, if you look from the options, here the first option is negative 345, x raised to 5, y raised to 4, z cube. This is the correct answer. Hence, the correct option is option number 1. Now question number 3, solve the following equations. Here the first one is 4x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 9 upon 2. Now solve the equation, it means we have to find the value of the variable. Here for solving the equation, we will bring all the numericals or all the constant that are in the on the side of variable on the other side of the equation. Here 1 upon 2 is on in left hand side, we will bring it in right hand side. As it is in addition, it will come in subtraction in right hand side. So you will get here 4x is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Now if you look at these two rational numbers, 9 upon 2 and 1 upon 2, the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, we will subtract the numerators. That is 9 minus 1 upon 2. So now 9 minus 1 is 8 and the denominator will remain as it is, that is 2. Now 8 divided by 2 is 4. So here 4x that is written in left hand side will remain as it is. Now in this step you will get 4x is equal to 4. Now as you have to find the value of x, we will divide both the sides by 4. Or here 4 is in multiplication, on the other side of equal to it will come in division. So you will get here is x is equal to 4 upon 4, that is 1. That is when you divide any number by itself, the answer is 1. Hence solution of the equation 4x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 9 upon 2 is 1. X is equal to 1. Now second example. 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. Now here again we have to solve this equation, that is we have to find the value of y. As you have to find the value of y, we will just interchange left hand side and right hand side. We will bring the variable part in left hand side and all the constants in right hand side. Now here in this step 2y plus 5 is written in left hand side and the 10 is written in right hand side. Now here as you have to find the value of y, we will bring all the numbers on the other side of equal to sign. Here 5 is in addition, on the other side it will come in subtraction. So you will get here 2y is equal to 10 minus 5. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. Now here 2 is in multiplication. So on the other side it will come in division. So you will get y is equal to 5 upon 2. Hence solution of the equation 10 is equal to 2y plus 5 is y is equal to 5 upon 2. Now third example, 5m minus 4 equal to 1. Now here we have to find the value of m. So we will bring this 4 in right hand side, that is here it is minus 4 is in subtraction. So on the other side it will come in addition. So you will get 5m is equal to 1 plus 4. Now here 1 plus 4 is 5. 5m is equal to 5. So you will get here m is equal to 5 upon 5, that is m is equal to 1. Now example number 4 children. 6x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 8. Now in this equation you can see the terms of x are given on both the sides of the equation. So we will bring both the terms of x on one side, that is we will bring both of them in left hand side and we will bring all the numbers in right hand side. Now here 6x will remain as it is. Now 3x is in addition. So in left hand side it will come in subtraction. So you will get here 6x minus 3x. Then equal to here plus 8 will remain as it is. Now 1 is in subtraction. So on the other side it will come in addition. So you will get here plus 1. Now 6x minus 3x is 3x and 8 plus 1 is 9. So x is equal to you will get 9 upon 3. Now why we have written here 3 in the denominator? Because 3 is in multiplication. So on the other side it will come in division. Now when you divide 9 by 3 you will get 3. Hence solution of the equation is x is equal to 3. Now example number 5. 2 bracket x minus 4 is equal to 4x plus 2. Now children, here 2 is in multiplication with this bracket. So we will multiply this 2 to both the terms of the bracket. So you will get here 2 multiplied by x minus 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4x plus 2. Now here 2 multiplied by x is 2x minus 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, and here right hand side will remain as it is. Now again, if you look here, the coefficient of x is bigger in right hand side than the coefficient of x in left hand side. So just we will interchange the left hand side and right hand side. We will take 4x plus 2 in left hand side and 2x minus 8 in right hand side. Now here we will bring the term with variable in left hand side and all the numbers in right hand side. Now here 2x will come in subtraction as it is in addition here. So you will get 4x minus 2x in left hand side, then equal to minus 8 will remain as it is, and this plus 2 will become minus 2. Now 4x minus 2x is 2x is equal to minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10. Now here 2 is in multiplication. So on the other side it will come in division. So you will get x is equal to minus 10 upon 2, that is x is equal to minus 5. Now children, here x is equal to minus 5 is the solution of the given equation. We can solve the same equation in different way. That is, here 2 is given outside the bracket, 2 bracket x minus 4. Also if you see the right hand side 4x plus 2, you can take 2 common. So here if you take 2 common, you will get x plus 1. Now the 2 can be cancelled from both the sides, or in various ways you can solve the same equation. Also you can, without interchanging left hand side and right hand side, also you can solve the equation. So children, the same equation can be solved in different ways. One of the ways we have done here. Now example number 6. 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 74. Now here 5, and that is you are multiplying a monomial by a binomial. So we will multiply 5 with x first, then 5 with 1. So you will get 5 into x is 5x, 5 into 1 is 5 is equal to 74. Now 5 is in addition, we will bring this constant on the other side, that is right hand side. So you will get 74 minus 5 in right hand side, and 5x will remain as it is in left hand side. Now 74 minus 5 is 69. 5x is equal to 69. Now 5 is in multiplication. So on the other side, it will come in division. So you will get here x is equal to 69 upon 5. Hence, solution of given equation is x is equal to 69 upon 5.